Failed with minor repairs, repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Fire escape inspection summary video. I'm Inspector Alan Toll. I'm a registered architect, certified fire escape inspector. I'm here at San Pablo Avenue in Oakland. We're going to inspect this fire escape, which is 5 platforms. This is one of 2 fire escapes. So there's 5 platforms plus this roof access. So what we're looking for is a preload test inspection. This is not a repair report. We're just going to point out some of the issues with this fire escape. Fire escape must be structurally sound and must be kept painted. This fire escape is painted, and the paint is in pretty good order. The fire escape in itself is in relatively good order, but I won't be able to pass this today for a preload test inspection because of a number of issues that I found, which I will point out to you in my videos and also in the photos that are accompanying this report. Number 1 that I see here is that this bolt is undersized for this connection, so we want to make sure that that's corrected. And this is a little bit Mickey Mouse here, but I'm not climbing up on that platform. It's a little wet today, but in order to pass this fire escape, we have 3 options. We can load test it, or we can replace the original hardware with new in lieu of a load test, or we can provide an opinion affidavit letter, which is an opinion based on our opinion, knowledge, and belief that this fire escape is ready for its intended use. And however, if that's the case, then that report must be approved by the insurance company and allowed by the city, and it must take away liability from fire escape engineers and the owner. I'm sorry, and the city, not the owner. The owner takes on the responsibility. So generally my concerns, I'm going to start moving down here.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with minor repairs. Repairs by a fully licensed vendor. Permit may be required. Engineer oversight, 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Fire escape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.